Hey, you two, welcome back. Hope everyone's having an awesome New Year 2018. Anyway, we're gonna start off with my ZX Flux shoes. A lot of people were questioning me about asking me what kind of shoes I was wearing when I did the previous videos. And also for those viewers or subscribers out there who were requesting of my shoes collection. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about you guys because due to the Christmas and New Year's holiday and vacations and all stuff like that, I've been busy. But I will upload those videos soon. But it's gonna be lengthy. Okay. So first of all, this is the shoes that I have. This is kind of like a off-white color ZX Flux. I got this at the outlet for only $49.99. Retail's price was around like $89.99 plus tax. Either $39.99 or $49.99. I forgot, but as you can see right here on the bottom heel cup right here is like a suede material, and right here is like a mesh. And I have this as an insole. This is Air Plus. It makes my feet very comfortable when I wear this all day long. This is the original Adidas right there, and you got the green olive lace. So the outsole is very dirty, and it has a torsion system, just like the Ultra Boost. This one is not Boost material, so it's kind of firm, but it doesn't matter because the insole is very soft. And when I add this one, this is very soft right here. And then this is the other one that I have. As you can see right there, it says torsion. So I've been wearing this for quite some time. Some of the viewers saw this on the video when I did other shoes try on, and they were asking me what kind of shoe was this. So now I'm reviewing my shoes. Okay, this one is the like a beige off-white color with a white midsole. And this is the second pair that I got. Let me give you a 360 of the box real quick. You got your Adidas brand over here, originals, and your 3 stripes on the side, the top. And then the brand with the 3 stripes. So it's called a ZX Flux Weave. And that's the retail price. This is a second pair that I got, so it's a different color. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. And then the tissue paper has a yellowish Adidas logo with the Adidas brand on there. So this color is it is different with the blue lace. And that's the midsole right there. It is also blue as well. And you got the beige suede heel cup right here on the back, which is pretty nice aesthetic. So this one I only wear like once or twice, so as you can see, it is not dirty as that much. And you got the torsion system on the bottom as well. Adidas brand right there. Then this is the other pair. Got your 3 stripes right there. Where's the size label? So the size label is right over there. So it's kind of hard to see right there, okay? See if I can get it in, zoom in. And it says ZX Flux Adidas, and this is made in Vietnam. So I'm not sure what, some of them are made in Vietnam, some of them are made in China. So I guess the Adidas switch around, I guess whenever they could get like a deal with the manufacturer or something. So I guess this one is a peach grape color, I guess. Okay, so this is my unboxing and review of my ZX Flux weave collection. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and turn on the bell for notification. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy New Year 2018. Alright, peace. Take you higher.